हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मेसी पाठशाला। तो आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं फार्माकोलॉजी के फार्माकोडायनेमिक्स के एमसीक्यूज, जो कि इसका पार्ट सेकंड है। इसका अगर आपने फर्स्ट पार्ट नहीं देखा है तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसकी लिंक दे दूंगा, आप इसको ज़रूर देख लें। और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लें, जिससे कि कोई भी आने वाली वीडियो मिस ना हो। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। So the which effect may lead to toxic reaction when a drug taken continuously or repeatedly? तो इसका राइट आंसर है बी, cumulative effects. Next, what term used to describe a more gradual decrease in responsiveness to a drug taking days or weeks to develop? तो इसका राइट आंसर है सी, टॉलरेंस। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट टर्म इज यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब अ डिक्रीज इन रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस टू अ ड्रग व्हिच डेवलप्स इन फ्यू मिनट्स? तो इसका राइट आंसर है डी, टैकीफाइलैक्सिस। Next question, tachyphylaxis is a drug interaction between two similar type of drugs, very rapidly developing tolerance, a decrease in responsiveness to a drug taking days or week to develop, none of these. तो इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है बी, very rapidly developing tolerance. Next, drug resistance is a term used to describe the loss of effectiveness or antimicrobial or anti-tumor drug is concentration is. The right answer is true. Next, tolerance and drug resistance can be a consequence of drug dependence, increase the metabolic degradation, depressed renal drug excretion, activation of a drug after hepatic fast pass. तो इसका राइट आंसर है बी, increase the metabolic degradation. Next, tolerance and drug resistance can be consequence change in receptor loss of them or existing of mediators, increase the receptor sensitivity, decrease the metabolic degradation, decrease the renal tubular section. secretion. Next, इसका जो राइट आंसर है change in receptor loss of them or acquisition medicine, A. Next, tolerance developed because of diminished absorption, rapid excretion of a drug, both of the above, none of the above. तो इसका राइट आंसर है नन ऑफ दी अबव, डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिपेंडेंस इज ऑफ्टन एसोसिएटेड विद टॉलरेंस टू अ ड्रग, अ फिजिकल एब्स्टिनेंस सिंड्रोम एंड फिजियोलॉजिकल डिपेंडेंस, क्रेविंग दिस कंसीडरेशन इज। ट्रू। Next, the situation when failure to continue administering the drug results in serious physiological and somatic disturbance is called tachyphylaxis, sensibilization, abstinence syndrome, and idiosyncrasy. Right answer is abstinence syndrome. Next, what is the type of drug to drug interaction which is concerned with process of absorption, biotransformation, distribution and excretion? Pharmacodynamic interaction, physical and chemical interaction, pharmaceutical interaction and pharmacokinetic interaction. Next, pharmacokinetic interactions. What is the type of drug to drug interaction which is the result of interaction at receptor, cell, enzyme or organ level? Pharmacodynamic interaction, physical and chemical interaction, pharmaceutical interaction, pharmacokinetic interaction. तो इसका जो राइट आंसर है that is pharmacodynamic interaction. Next question, what phenomenon can occur in case of using combination of drug? Tolerance, tachyphylaxis, accumulation, synergism. So right answer is synergism. Next, if two drugs with the same effect taken together produce an effect that is equal in magnitude to the sum of the effect of the drug given individually, is called as antagonism, potentiation, additive effect and none of these. तो इसका जो राइट आंसर होगा that is additive effect. Next, what does the term potentiation means? Cumulative ability of a drug, hypersensitivity to a drug, fast tolerance developing, intensive increase of drug effect due to their combination. तो इसका राइट आंसर होगा intensive increase of drug effect due to their combination, D. Next, the type of antagonism are summarized, potentialized, additive, competitive. Right answer is competitive, D. Next, the term chemical antagonism means that two drugs combine with one another to form an inactive compound. Two drugs combine with one another to form a more active compound. The two drugs combine with one another to form a more water soluble compound. Two drugs combine with one another to form a more fat soluble compound. तो इसका राइट आंसर होगा ए. Two drugs combine with one another to form an inactive compound. Next, a teratogenic action is toxic action on the liver, negative action on the fetus causing fetal malformation, toxic action on blood system, toxic action on kidneys. का राइट आंसर होगा नेगेटिव एक्शन ऑन द फीटस कॉजिंग द फीटल malformation. Next, characteristic unwanted reaction with which isn't related to a dose or to a pharmacodynamic property of a drug is called idiosyncrasy, हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी, टॉलरेंस एंड टेरेटोजेनिक एक्शन। तो इसका राइट आंसर होगा हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी। नेक्स्ट, idiosyncratic reaction of a drug, a type hypersensitivity reaction, a type of drug antagonism, unpredictable inherent qualitatively abnormal reaction to a drug, quantitatively aggregated response। इसका राइट आंसर है अनप्रेडिक्टेबल इनहर्ट क्वालिटेटिवली एबनॉर्मल रिएक्शन टू अ ड्रग, सी। नेक्स्ट, थेरापेutiक इंडेक्स इज a ratio used to evaluate the safety and usefulness of a drug for indication. A ratio used to evaluate the effectiveness of a drug. A ratio used to evaluate the bioavailability of a drug. A ratio used to evaluate the elimination of a drug। तो इसका राइट आंसर है a ratio used to evaluate the safety and the unfairness drug of information। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग फार्मेसी पाठशाला। अगर आप लोगों को हमारी वीडियो पसंद आ रही हो तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एंड वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कमेंट जरूर करें। धन्यवाद।